Welcome to Boardgame Publisher. First thing first, let me introduce myself and the company I created so that you know how I learned all this information that I am about to share with you. I am Eric, the founder of Flatline Games. I am a gamer. I have been playing games for all my life. I never stopped. I played board games, I played miniature games, I played card games, a lot of Magic the Gathering and other collectible trading games. I played a role-playing game, I played live-action role-playing games. In 2007, I worked on a board game prototype. I wanted to create a game and have it published. I met with board game designer Frédéric Moyersohn, the author of Saboteur, and he offered me to join up forces and design the game together, and I was really happy about it. We designed the game together, and it was released in 2007 by Z-Man Games under the name Battle Chaos. During this project, I learned a lot of things about board game publishing, and I eventually decided it's something I wanted to do. I wanted to become a board game publisher. So between 2007 and 2010, I learned a lot of things. I met with a lot of people. I asked a lot of questions. And eventually, I was able to start my publishing company, Flatline Games, and to release my first game, Dragon Rage, a game by Lewis Pulsifer. After that, I released other games on a regular basis. I released Rumble in the House, Rumble in the Dungeon, Twin Bots, Robin, Steamrollers, Argo, Auto Nonsense, and recently Hoarders. And I intend to keep publishing board games and maybe even role-playing games in the future. Since I started Flatline Games, I have met with a lot of board game publishers, and they readily shared information with me, so that really helped me to learn about board game publishing. This is one of the reasons I want to share now. It's my way to give back. As usual, if you think this was useful, hit the like button. If you think it was not useful, hit the dislike button and leave a comment so that I will know how to improve this for the next videos. And speaking about the next videos, if you want to make sure not to miss anyone, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thank you.